In this guide, you'll learn 4 detailed and effective methods to perform POCO, backup and restore step by step. Part 1. POCO backup and restore through local backup. Local backup is the most direct and convenient way to save your POCO data without an internet connection. It stores your data within the device's internal storage, which can be restored anytime when needed. Steps to backup POCO locally. Step 1. Open Settings on your POCO phone. Step 2. Tap About Phone Backup and restore local backup. Step 3. Tap Backup to create a new backup. Step 4. Choose the data types you want to back up, such as apps, contacts, messages, photos, and settings. Step 5. Wait for the process to complete. The backup files are stored in internal storage MIUI backup all backup. To restore local backup. Step 1. Go to Settings About Phone Backup and restore local backups. Step 2. Select your previous backup file. Step 3. Tap Restore and wait for the restoration to finish. Part 2. POCO backup and restore using Xiaomi Cloud. POCO is a sub-brand under Xiaomi, meaning it shares much of Xiaomi's ecosystem, including cloud services. Therefore, Xiaomi Cloud can be used seamlessly on POCO phones to back up and restore your data online. How to back up POCO data to Xiaomi Cloud. Step 1. Open Settings on your POCO phone. Step 2. Go to Mi Account Xiaomi Cloud. Step 3. Log in with your Mi Account credentials. Step 4. Enable the sync option for the data you wish to back up, such as contacts, messages, gallery, and notes. Step 5. Tap Backup Now to upload your data to Xiaomi Cloud. To restore data from Xiaomi Cloud. Step 1. Log into the same Mi account on your new or reset POCO phone. Step 2. Go to Settings Mi Account Xiaomi Cloud. Step 3. Choose Restore from Backup and select the desired version. Step 4. Then, tap the Restore using this backup button. Wait until the restoration completes. Part 3. POCO Backup and Restore with Google Account. As POCO runs on Android, Google provides another convenient way to keep your data safe through your Google account. Steps to backup POCO via Google account. Step 1. Open Settings Google Backup. Step 2. Turn on Backup by Google One. Step 3. Tap Backup Now to start a manual backup. Step 4. Make sure contacts, calendar, and app data sync are enabled. To restore from Google Backup. Step 1. During the setup of a new or reset POCO phone, sign in with the same Google account. Step 2. Choose Restore from Google Backup when prompted. Step 3. Select the backup file and wait until the process completes. Part 4. POCO Backup and Restore by Coolmuster Android Backup Manager. For users who prefer complete control and PC-based management, Coolmuster Android Backup Manager offers one-click backup and restore of POCO data. Steps to backup POCO with Coolmuster Android Backup Manager. Step 1. Install Coolmuster Android Backup Manager on your computer. Step 2. Connect your POCO phone via USB or Wi-Fi. Enable USB debugging when prompted. Step 3. Click Backup, select data types, and choose a save path. Step 4. Hit Backup to start the process. Steps to restore POCO with Coolmuster Android Backup Manager. Step 1. Connect your POCO phone again. Step 2. Click Restore and select a backup file. Step 3. Choose what to restore and click Restore to finish.